So is it? So that's going right now.
Yeah, it's going.
Okay, very good.
Wait, is it counting? Okay, it's counting down.
No. Yes, it
Mom,
is.
you gotta get out.
So that's good.
Away.
Where's Grandpa? All right. Where's our Grandpa? Where's Dora? Now, Cece, do you know how to open it? Have you watched it? Okay, slide it across the top, and then the yellow paper on the inside is where the information is. And put it behind the paper, and then slide it out and read it one line at a time.
Because otherwise your eyes read the way you're going instantly.
Because we don't.
Ignore the rest.
Just open it. You're holding it up. Just hold it up in front of you.
Hold it in front of you. So he's taking a picture.
Oh.
There you go.
Temple Square.
Hurry.
Oh, where's everybody betting? I'm betting on.
Okay. Okay.
The what now?
Looks bad.
Where to look?
I am hoping for not Africa.
Grandpa, she's in Temple Square.
A kid in our
She's gonna go to Temple Square.
Get the yellow paper out.
You don't even use a knife.
The knife's not working. You need a sharpener or something.
Okay, just look for the let's like a not yellow, but
This yellow thing right here.
the one that's kind of yellow is the one that it's on.
Open it up.
Can't even open it.
anybody is so.
Okay, no, okay, put it behind the book. There, now just slide it up and read it line by line.
Don't look up.
Let me see where
Out
it
loud, please.
Just where it starts to say, "Dear sister."
starts. Okay, hold on. Dear Sister Fox, you are hereby called to serve a mission.
In Boise, I know.
For the Church of Jesus Christ, you are assigned to the Botswana. I can't even pronounce it, mission.
What is it? Is it Africa?
I don't know.
Are you going to Botswana?
I've been there.
Where is that? Africa.
I knew it. I knew it.
Is it really Africa?
Botswana?
Why? I don't want you to go to Africa.
The Botswana Gaborone.
What language? What language?
I don't know. Yes, that you will serve for
Africa.
18 months. You should report to the South African Missionary Training Center on
South Africa.
Thursday, October 31st. Not till October.
That's
Prepare
bad.
to preach the gospel in the English language. Your
Oh,
assignment may be modified according to needs of the mission president.
So she's gonna go to the South African MTC
Oh, when?
on October 31st.
That's the only place I wanted to go.
I don't want you to go to Africa.
Africa MTC.
So they have lots of MTCs, but she's gonna go to one
Cece,
South.